Hi, my name is Marc-André, Operations Manager at ewool, and today I will gladly walk you through the functionality and the features of the ewool heated vest. So without further ado, what you'll need is first of all, your ewool heated vest, your battery, and your charger. And for those of you who opted for the dual battery kit, you'll need both your batteries and your power splitter. To begin, we strongly suggest that you bring your battery to a full charge before initial use. You can see your battery's lifespan by pressing on the button that appears at the top of the battery. The amount of lights that appear represent the battery or the percentage that you have left. So 4 lights equals 100% charge. It takes about 2.5 hours to bring a battery from 0 to 100% charge. Once your battery has reached its full charge, you'll want to place it in one of the sockets that are inside the back pocket. Inside the back pocket, you'll find a 12-volt cable that you can plug on to the battery. And then place the battery inside the socket. And for those of you who opted for the dual battery kit, you'll want to plug each battery onto your power splitter, and then plug the power splitter onto the 12-volt cable, and then slide the batteries into their sockets. Now that the battery is plugged in, you can control everything with the thermostat that's at the bottom of the vest. By pressing it once, you'll be able to see your battery's lifespan. So the amount of lights that appear indicate the percentage of battery that you have left. For example, here, we're at 100%. Now, in order to activate the heat, you'll want to press 5 seconds on the button until the light turns red. Now the vest powers on at its maximum level of heat, which will reach a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. At this level, you'll have about 2 hours of continuous heat with one battery. Then, by pressing it once, you'll go down to the medium level, at which you'll have 4 hours of continuous heat with one battery. And by pressing once more, you'll go down to the lowest level, at which you'll have 8 hours. And finally, by pressing once more, you'll have gone through a full cycle of your heat settings. To shut it off, simply press another 5 seconds on the button. It's important to mention that the vest powers on at its maximum heat setting. And so, once it'll have fully warmed up, it'll automatically go down to its medium setting to optimize battery performance. After that, you have the power to choose the heat setting you require. There are 2 ways to recharge your battery. The first way is to plug in your charger onto any regular power outlet and then directly onto the battery. But for convenience sake, we added a port that's located inside the vest here in order for you to be able to recharge your battery directly from your vest when it's plugged in. In order to recharge your battery directly from your vest, you'll simply want to plug in the charger onto the port right here. You'll notice that a red light appears on the charger while the battery is charging. That same light will turn green when the battery has reached its full charge. In order to supply power to your vest, obviously you can use your battery, but we have other options. Inside the vest here, you'll find a 12-volt cable that can be plugged into powered vehicles, like for example a car, a motorcycle, a snowmobile, a four-wheeler, and more. For most vehicles, this wire alone will be sufficient to supply power to your vest. That being said, for those who don't, we have 3 different adapter options. Here we have the 12-volt universal power adapter, which can be plugged directly into the cigarette lighter socket of your vehicle. The other end is meant to be plugged into the 12-volt wire that's inside your vest. And as an added bonus, for this adapter to be compatible with European vehicles, simply remove the red cap. And here we have the power harness, which allows you to safely connect your ewool heated vest onto the 12-volt battery of your vehicle, which could be a boat, a motorcycle, a snowmobile, and more. And just like each of our adapters, the other end is meant to be plugged into the 12-volt wire that's located inside your vest. And last but not least, for our snowmobilers, we have the RCA connecting wire, which is designed to be operated for temperatures as low as minus 60 degrees Celsius, which is also minus 75 degrees Fahrenheit. In order to operate this adapter, simply plug in the 12-volt cable of your vest into the DC female plug connector of the adapter, and then plug the RCA ending into the heated visor port of your snowmobile. Now, when it comes to keeping your vest clean, it's very simple. The garment is made out of very durable materials, and all the ports and wires are waterproof. So, this makes the vest machine washable. And when it comes to drying, because the vest does contain some spandex and that we want to prevent it from shrinking, we strongly suggest to air dry it. So this concludes the video on the functionality of the ewool heated vest. We hope that you found this information useful. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to communicate with us through the links below. And on that note, on behalf of the whole team, we wish to extend to you our warmest regards.